Hi guys, it's Carrie. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you were new here, welcome back if you've been here before. So today guys, we're going to the toy section at Target just to look around, walk around, see what's good. Okay guys, if you guys like this kind of content, definitely tune in. Bye guys. So guys, we're in Target's toy section. I have those Barbies. Just need to. So guys, this is the first time I have been to Target, I want to say in at least 2 weeks or more. I think it's been longer than that. Look at these little plushy muffins that need homes. Oh, what is this little creature? Squishmallow? He's a squishmallow. I don't have any squishmallows. I'm just seeing guys what kind of, because I think squishmallows for the thing anymore. I want a squishmallow, guys. I want a squishmallow. But I know I can't afford one. Plus 7 tons of other babies that need to be taken care of. The cars. Dad's not really into Disney movies. I get that. Everything. Little people in Barbie. Guys, I miss seeing the Barbie movie, and I love Barbie. You guys know. I love me everything that is Barbie. My favorite aisles. Those two are starting to look cute to me. Question, where's Baby born? Have they started to not sell her? Because this is baby Annabelle. This is baby Annabelle, clearly. But they're labeling her as baby born, but she's baby Annabelle. My first baby, Harper. I've seen people who have bought her. She's really pretty, but she's not baby born. I wanted a baby alive, but at one point, oh guys, look. At one point, I was like, guys, look, there are alterations. How's this far? Ready? Guys, look, they changed the dolls up here. I don't have any of these dolls yet, but I want the boy. But ooh, I only have one. OMG. I feel bad buying myself a t-shirt. Guys, I really do. They maybe need some Halloween costumes for the kids. I'm not really. Wasn't needed. Guys, look! Barbie can shop at Target now. Barbie can work at Target now. It's Skipper. But still, Skipper can work at Target. I want her. I need her. That's Skipper. I thought it was Barbie, you guys. Excuse me. I want to... Guys, look. The holiday bar. Come back to me. Look, guys, look. Barbie. If you guys did not know about me, I am Barbie's biggest fan since I've been about 2 years old. May Cecile rest in peace. And the Barbie toy chest in the sky. One of my first childhood Barbies. May she rest in the sky. If you guys are wondering, like, you love Barbie so much, why didn't you keep Later Child Barbies? Guys, I did keep a few of them that were salvageable, or really weren't too salvageable, but I wanted to keep, or a gift from my mom, or a gift from my mom's friend, Aunt Sissy. Guys, you think about it, that woman was a gem. She gave a disabled girl a Barbie. And my neighbor Ann used to give me Barbies. She knew I was disabled and loved all Barbies. But people sometimes look at people who are visually impaired, myself, and mock us. I always say, guys, we're human. Don't mock us. We're human beings. You can ask about our disabilities, but don't mock them. She kind of looks like Margot Robbie to me. I want this Barbie so bad. If I got some money doesn't mean I can spend it. Guys, Holiday Barbie 2023 anniversary. Let's look at all her variants. I know they used to make a might sound dated to a lot of you people. A Midge, I think her name is variant, but I don't see Midge, the redhead. Barbie wishes on the back of there, guys. But so they have the Barbie, Teresa, Christy, Kira, Kyra. Sorry, I don't remember how her name is pronounced. I love her. Oh, everything is pink. You guys will notice about me, I am more excited about these dolls than the children. Okay, guys, I can't read from there. It says, Barbie wishes, holiday. It's a wonderful day. A celebration of you. Balloons fill the air, and there are presents too. Barbie, birthday wishes doll brings a message for you. Birthday and many just come true. Oh, it's a birthday Barbie. My birthday, guys, been for a long time. At least for like 6 months. Guys, there's so I'm buying myself a shirt, guys. I want it. Monster High, guys. I'm a Monster High girl. Guys don't know I love Monster High. I didn't grow up loving Monster High only because Monster High did not exist. Monster High did not exist when I was growing up. I was a Barbie girl. My family members bought me Barbie. My cousins, my aunts and uncles, my parents. Care Bear, guys, my true love. Care Bear. Don't put Bratz. Bratz sometimes are but young. Oh, Kobe. Handsome. Oh my gosh, who is she? She's beautiful, whoever she is. Oh, guys, get me popped. Guys, I want her, I need her. Hello, beautiful Felicia, beautiful. I gotta ask Dad for Christmas. You have to buy her yourself. And I'm like, I do. I have so many here I want it. She's so pretty. There's two rainbow hot. Who is she? Skylar. You guys ever want to see my personal doll collection? Comment it down below. There's all the Squishmallows I thought were retired. Disney. There's people fighting over there, guys. I do not want to be in the middle of people fighting. Hello, cutie. You a bear? You're a bear, guys. This is why I can't bring Bongo with me. He's a teddy bear, but still, he don't want to adopt him. But come here, brother, mom. He's such a sweet teddy. Bongo's a sweet bear. He's a really sweet teddy bear, but he wants to adopt. Guys. The our generation. Guys, want a good tip for our generation? Stuff. Go to turn 7 in the mall. $100 is like $10, guys. We are generation ones. I want to get a Squishmallow. Guys, is that a cow one? Oh my god, I like Squishmallow. Because you guys know cows are one of my favorite animals. To collect are cows.
你空调有没有开的？
Excuse me, vlogging for YouTube. No, that's... What's he? But that was Ted. That's somebody. I already have him back there, guys. I put my turn 7. And look at that, guys. We're already at the end. RIP, we're already at the end. 10 minutes is normally how long I vlog for. Squishmallow is back there, guys. We're going to go see the Halloween stuff a little bit closer to Halloween. Guys, Squishmallows. Malou didn't get one of these, but... guys, I want her. I want them all. What is his name? I can't see. Nichelle. She's a girl. Like that's a little too close. Okay, guys, a little too close to me, but it's alright. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Go and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload, guys. Remember, follow me on both of my channels. Squishmallow, but looks like one. Okay, guys, bye.